11/16 double duck gold edge. Essentially, the only hone wear that is on this blade is what you would expect to see from the factory. I've never honed this blade. It's got a really nice finish, if I can get it to focus. It's got a beautiful finish. One flaw is that a lot of the gold wash on the tang has been removed, and it's never been cleaned, never unpinned for cleaning, so there is some, it looks more like oxidation than grime on the inside of the tang. Sorry about the focus, but beautiful condition.